Are they ducks or chickens?
Chickens.
Are they? Oh, they're so cute.
So we've just arrived at Tegenungan Waterfall. We don't know how to pronounce it, but it's been highly recommended to visit. One of the best waterfalls in Ubud, and it was closest to our hotel, so perfect. 12-minute on the scooter. This is it. How much is cold coconut? Well, just one, please. Come on. We're going to share one. 2, please.
Yeah.
How much?
30,000.
Oh! Woo! Woo! Watch your finger.
Oh my god.
You didn't know about that. How'd you do that? How'd you do that?
Look at this. I did not know there'd be a hotel here and everything. Did you? It is vibing. Fall in love with the man that I love. We're getting closer and closer. Brad's got his new flip-flops on. Not the right choice. Oh look!
We went out and bought this bag today.
I know, yeah, that's practical. Good vibes. Hey, we made it! We need to figure out how to get up there as well. Yeah. I'm so out of breath from going up all these steps. But there's a lot to do here actually. If you do come to Ubud, there's quite a few waterfalls, but I would say this one's got like a lot going on. There's restaurants, there's beach clubs. God, why am I scared? It looks like one of those bungee jumps.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Get it? Yeah, you got this back, yeah? That's for power.
Whee!
Jay! Yeah!
Higher! Higher!
Jack, open your hand, open your hand! No problem, you can try! Ah, good! Okay, one more push, hold the rope!
Big one.
Go!
Woo!
One more! Show! Okay, open your hand! Hands up, hands up! Yeah, good!
What did you reckon?
It was good.
Yeah?
I feel a bit, woo, lightheaded. Your turn?
Yeah.
Okay, photo!
Woo!
Good!
Okay, faster!
Yeah, push!
Faster!
Good!
Your backflip. Good evening, guys. This is our little villa. We have got our own private pool, which we weren't expecting actually, because this place was, how much was this, babe? £140 for 3 nights.
£41 a night, wasn't it?
Yeah, like 40 quid. £40 per night, and you get a whole pool to yourself. You're right, making a racket in the background. And then we've got, I did lock it, yeah. Then we've got our bedroom and a bathroom behind. Thank you.
Got the new flippy flaps on.
Oh, you're still getting used to them. Wait, have you worn flip-flops before?
Yeah, probably.
Well, I don't know. I feel like you've only worn sliders. Oh, have I got my phone?
Yeah, put it in this bag.
You put it in there?
Gecko there. You see it?
No. Oh, yeah. Tiny little one. No, oh, it's probably scared, babe. You were Sparko.
Sorry last night.
I know, you were. You what?
Tag me in it.
Handstands. Go on, babe. What did you give him your Insta then? Look at you go. Topless. And there's girls in that class. And you didn't have your top on.
Some girls who look like that.
That's me. That, I'm not joking, that is literally me after being in Bali. So we are trying a restaurant called Donna tonight. We have to get on the scooter to get there. So, hello. We'll report back when we're at the restaurant.
Yeah.
If we get in, because it's quite late. And
Positive.
where we ate for breakfast this morning, and then just opposite, literally dead opposite, is Donna, which let's hope we can get a table at. What do they say?
Just got seats in front of the bar at the minute.
We don't mind that, do we? Okay guys, Donna, we are sitting at the bar, which is fine, not the worst situation. This is the menu. It's a bit of me, honestly. Everything looks so delicious. We've gone for the hummus to share, and I've gone for the burrata. Brad's gone for the croquettes, and I've gone for the vegan meatballs. Quite a lot going on this street.
I forgot how you spell Hamilton.
Hamilton. That was quick. Thank you. Yeah, me. Brad's croquettes, my burrata, and we've got some oi. Yeah. And to yourself.
That'll be good until they move it. It's literally balancing on their juice machine. What? Oh my god. I just thought that we looked the same. Then I remembered somebody told us that we looked the same, and he said that one of the waiters actually, I think at the W, and then he said that if you look the same then you'll last. No? Said it means you've got the same energy. Thought you were getting down on one knee then.
Not this holiday. That skin. This summer's banging.
My vegan meatballs, and is that focused? I've got some sautéed vegetables as well, and then some bread comes with the meatballs. Brad's got chicken, looks bloody delicious, and you've got some truffle mash coming. Good morning guys, it's 2:15 in the morning right now. I don't think we actually told you last night. I think it completely slipped my mind. I think I was actually in denial that we would have to get up at this time. But we are going to climb Mount Batur this morning, which is a really popular thing to do in Ubud. So we felt like we just couldn't miss out. Well, I was like, no, Brad, we cannot miss out on this. We must do it. So yeah, hello, nice to meet you.
Vlog.
Vlog.
Yeah.
England.
England. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll take you along, and hopefully it's worth this early wake-up call.
Don't even know if I was recording. You good?
Yeah, this is tough though. Has been so tough.
Alright, we're back on a bit of straight road.
Yeah, I think this is the straight path now.
4:30 in the morning. We're still not at the top. Oof. Nearly there.
What's the time?
5:30 now, actually.
Oh.
5:30.
Sky looks pretty already though.
Slowly coming up.
Smoking like all in cigarettes, so you can
20 minutes until sunrise.
See the volcano.
There's a volcano over there.
To wrap up, because now we've stopped, I bet it's actually quite cold up here, like if you hadn't walked all the way up.
So that took us around about 2 hours, didn't it?
Yeah, that was actually...
That was long.
It was long and it was hard.
I felt sorry for the people behind me because I kept jumping.
No, that isn't funny, Brad, because luckily I think you trumped back 3 times and it was so bad. Luckily I was behind you every time. Oh my god, look at the clouds.
That's because where we stopped off, they give us this coffee with fake milk, and yeah, not ideal before a 2-hour hike.
There he is. Honestly, not bringing you again.
It was good. Well, not really, but
It was. It will.
Yeah, it's good
it will be. Look at that huge cloud.
it will be worth it.
Yeah.
Let's see what's for breakfast. Yep. Ooh. Ooh. Lovely.
Oh, you are too much this morning. Pale up here.
What are you doing?
Why? You look so brown in the face.
Coffee. I think this is what's making me fucking shit myself. And with the breakfast, some lady.
I ain't lying. I wrapped the
Just
banana.
said to the hiker, is this breakfast a joke?
Yeah, this is more rain Jenny. Rain Jenny. Yeah, this is in Lombok.
Wow!
What's going up or down?
We're about an hour in to the trek down.
I'll explain. What is the logic behind this? I don't want to know how long we've got left, but Brad keeps asking our guide, how long have we got left? And I'm like, stop, I don't want to hear. Like, I would love to know the logic behind that, because obviously our brains work in 2 different ways.
Just find out roughly how long we've got left.
No, and I get that, but I think my way of like dealing with it is to not know, and then I can be a bit more optimistic that it's less than that. Whereas when she says, oh, there's nearly an hour left, you're like, oh, because in my head it could have been 20 minutes.
No.
Good morning, guys. Oh my goodness, when was the last time that I spoke to you? The mountain. Honestly, guys, when I say that mountain screwed me up, but that is a different story for a different day. Now we are in a place called Lovina Beach, and we are staying in a resort for 3 nights, and it's really, really nice, really beautiful. It's like what you see on the movies. And Lovina Beach is known for the dolphins. So this morning we are going out on, oh god, can I get you in or do you not want to be seen? Brad shaved his beard off.
Not fully off. Just a bit off. Just a
You
little
just
trim.
look so different.
Just a little trim scheme.
You just never do that. I don't know why you've done it, but it was so random.
Smooth it up a little bit.
I just heard him shaving in the bathroom, and then all of a sudden he comes out with no beard. We're just having a quick coffee. Thank you so much.
You need a sugar, maybe?
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Sweet enough.
Oh, it's just, you know, it's a good one, though.
Oh, thank you, mate. Thank you. I'm here all day.
That is nice. Our captain should be arriving anytime soon.
Oh, Jesus.
We don't do well with early, do we?
Well, she's just
Guys,
out of bed.
Fun fact, I've never swam with dolphins. Have you? Like
I don't think so.
at like a water...
You're not going to do it at Tanton Lakes, are you?
Brad, obviously I meant like at water parks or wherever they have like theme parks. Yeah, that's what
In
I
their
was
own
thinking.
habitat.
The one good thing about that, one good thing, many good things, but the good thing about this is that this is a natural experience. Like the dolphins are like Brad just said, like in their own habitat, and they're in the sea and they're just like doing what they do, and we basically just go and watch.
Matey boy said yesterday it was over 1,000 out there swarming the boat.
Over 1,000.
Yeah, 4 of them jumped over the boat.
Shut up! Stop lying to me. Oh well, I hope we see them, babe.
Oh, I can swim with them.
I'm excited. I don't love the sea, and I can't believe they'll be. I can't wait. I'm so excited. But then there's going to be dolphins everywhere. What if I freak out?
And they're all gone by the time we get out there. Yep.
Oh, Captain's here.
What's his name?
Jaidun.
Jaidun. Jaidun, nice to meet you.
Where? You've clocked some. Yeah, look how many boats there are trying to see the dolphins. I feel like it might scare them off. I don't know. I can't believe there's this many people. Surely.
It's the only downside.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, she'll swim in a bit. You gotta enjoy it, babes.
Sweet. Can you see anything, Brad? No.
So many dolphins.
Stop it. And then, what concoction are you making us? You're like a chemist, aren't you? Like a pharmacist. Can't wait to drink that. This is what we're having, guys. Bifido, what's that? Optibac, trusted friendly bacteria. Oh, to increase natural gut bacteria. Also, we are packing to move on to our next destination today. And the room's a bit of a mess, but I didn't actually show you this room. Oh, he's going for it. Is it rank? Oh, do I want it? Oh, I'm a bit nervous, you know. But I feel like I've drank worse. Why is it in a mug as well? Tastes like nothing. Oh, no, it does. Okay, this is our bathroom. It's actually a very nice, modern bathroom. I actually really like this resort. This is called the Villandra Resort. Got a nice little shelf here as well. That one, or they knew I was coming. I'm gonna put a little shelf there. I am one of those weirdos that loves to take everything out of my case and repack it every time you move on. I love like taking it out, folding it all up, organising it again and making it neat. And I also do the same to Brad's. He does not ask me to do this, but when I look at his case, it gives me the fear. So that is what I'm just doing now because we have to check out in, I think probably the next 10 minutes or so.
Come on.
Wow.